In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture on WhatsApp Web. Having a profile picture is essential for helping your contacts recognize you quickly, and it adds a personal touch to your online presence. If you're using WhatsApp Web, updating your profile picture is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's a breeze. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp Web account. Once you're on the main screen of WhatsApp Web, direct your attention to the left side of the interface. You'll see an icon resembling a small user silhouette. This is your profile icon. Clicking on it will open up your profile menu. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, you'll see several options. One of these will be labeled Profile. Give this option a click and it will take you to your profile settings page. This is the area where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your profile picture. Now, in the profile settings, you should see your current profile picture, or if you haven't set one yet, a default placeholder image. Go ahead and click on this image space. By doing so, an option to upload a new picture should appear. This is where the magic happens. Click the option labeled Upload. This will open a dialog box that allows you to browse files on your computer. Navigate through your files until you find the image you want to use as your new profile picture. It's worth noting that for best results, you should choose a clear, high-quality image that represents you well, as it will be visible to all your contacts. Once you've selected your desired image, click Open or Choose, depending on your operating system, to upload it. WhatsApp Web will then update your profile, reflecting the newly uploaded picture. If you're not quite satisfied with how the image appears or find that it needs adjustment, you can always go back and change it at any time by following these same simple steps. It's as easy as that. Just a few clicks and you've successfully added or changed your profile picture on WhatsApp Web. This can be particularly handy if you're someone who frequently interacts with contacts through WhatsApp on their desktop or laptop. Remember, maintaining an updated profile picture helps ensure that people can recognize who they're messaging at a glance. Plus, it adds a personable touch to your online communications. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and you're now more confident in managing your profile settings on WhatsApp Web. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out more guides or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Happy messaging!